Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Paprika Tenderloin. That'll be pork tenderloin. First we make the pork rub. Simply put 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika and 2 teaspoons of dry thyme in a bowl and mix together. The next thing we do is trim up the tenderloin. Simply use a sharp knife and cut off any silver skin or sinew, as you see here. When this is done, trim off the ends so they're nice and tidy, and we're actually cutting our tenderloin into 2 pieces. Then when you've trimmed your tenderloin up properly, use a sharp knife and cut a pouch into each piece. And when all said and done, you should have something that looks like this. Then it's time to move on to the vegetables. Simply chop up 1 onion, a handful of mushrooms, a clove of garlic and 1 medium-sized carrot into juliennes. Then when your veg is prepped, melt some butter in a suitably sized frying pan, add all the vegetables and cook off for about 5 minutes. Then add salt and pepper to taste and a splash of milk. Continue to cook until all the liquid is evaporated and the vegetables cooked. Then put aside and allow it to cool completely. It's important you allow it to cool. Then as the vegetables are cooling down, take the spice mix and rub in well into the pieces of pork. You should have something that looks like this. And when the vegetables are completely cooled down, spoon into the pouches of pork. And then top with a layer of cheese. Cheese is optional, but who doesn't like cheese? Then it's time to wrap the pork tenderloin in bacon. Simply lay the bacon out on the chopping board as you see here, and fold over the bacon rashers. And hopefully you'll have something that looks like this. Then simply repeat for the other piece. Then place both pieces on a suitably sized oven-proof dish and off to a 180-degree C oven for 40 minutes, or until an internal temperature of 77 degrees C is reached. Then you're ready to serve. Tenderloin can be dry, but this wasn't. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now. While I've been narrating this video, I've been trying to decide whether to go see a band in the pub tonight. What the hell, you're a long time dead, I'm off to the gig.